aggressive. I'm not resisting arrest. Why are you doing that? I'm asking for a female officer.
On February 21, 2025, at 11:53 a.m., an officer pulled over a driver for a seatbelt violation right after she left her house, igniting an immediate argument when she claimed a blanket hid her belt and accused police of stalking her.
Wait, I just pulled out from my crib.
Can you have a seat inside the car?
No, what do y'all want? Tell me a reason why you just pulled on my plate because it's a temp plate and I just bought this car.
I haven't been able to talk
What's
to you.
The reason? What's the reason? How do sit on my block,
Is it
y'all?
illegal for me to sit on your block?
It's illegal for you to just pull me. What was the reason?
When did it become your block?
But you didn't tell me.
You don't have your seatbelt when you drive.
I did just have my seatbelt on.
Okay.
I am going to put gas in my car. Do you want my key? I'm going to put gas in my car.
No, come back over here.
Don't touch me.
Okay.
And I just took it out.
You asked me for a reason, I'm giving you the reason, right?
What's wrong with you? Don't touch me.
I can't deal with her.
I can't deal with you either. What the f*** I'm going to call my mom. She your deputy or whatever the f*** because she just put a about me and I thought she just said, okay, well, I'm going to have somebody come because I don't have nothing for you.
I'm trying to make this as...
No, you not. Why are you even bothering me? I just have my seatbelt on. No.
Can I please have your driver's license?
Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me.
Driver's license for insurance, we'll get you on your way.
Y'all know what the f*** I'm doing. No, I'm not doing this with y'all. Stop talking to me. Stop talking to me. Please stop talking to me. I have to call my mom. Please stop talking to me. I just seen you. I just recorded you.
Okay. Are you going to refuse to provide me with your driver's license?
I'm not saying nothing else to you.
Okay. If you
I'm not saying nothing else.
For
not saying nothing. I didn't. How's that obstruction? I know what obstruction is. That's. I'm refusing to speak until I call my mom and my lawyer. That's what I'm saying. Driveway. This man was just sitting on Rosedale. Now I'm at the gas station. And Mama just pulled out of the driveway. Follow me out the driveway and follow me to this gas station. And then he gonna look at my template because I didn't register the car yet because I just bought it. Until the 3rd. Exactly. It's good until this month. It's this month. I got my he talking about I didn't have no seatbelt on. I had my seatbelt on. He don't see that I got my seatbelt on because I got the damn blanket over me. He just pulled me up for no reason. And I gotta go to work. What the no, hell no.
Driver's license is for insurance. That's all I need.
I don't understand why I'm giving this to him because he just put me up for no reason. I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to be doing? He said that I didn't have my seatbelt on, but if you checking me because I had my seatbelt on, he has no lawful reason to pull me over. He said that first of all, I have a blanket over me because I don't have no clothes on. So he just pulled me up for no reason. I feel like hell no. If this is what we gonna do, I feel uncomfortable. You just sat on my block. I feel uncomfortable. Actually, I want a female officer to be here.
I'm gonna ask you one last time.
Okay,
okay, you're gonna be placed under arrest. Are you gonna give me your driver's license, move insurance, or are you gonna be placed under arrest? Last question. Last time, you're gonna give me yes or no? You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
You didn't ask me. I'll give it to you. Get it off of me. I'm giving it to you. Not touching me. Then I'll give it to you.
Stop resisting.
Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I just said I'll do it. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I can't even get it. Stop. Stop touching me. Stop touching me. I just said I'll do it. And you're being aggressive. I'm not resisting arrest. You're being aggressive. I just asked for a female. I'm not resisting arrest. I'm not resisting arrest. You're being aggressive. I'm not resisting arrest. I'm asking for a female. I'm resisting arrest. You're being aggressive. I'm not resisting arrest. Why are you doing that? Officer, why are y'all doing that?
A female officer cannot come to arrest you right now, so I arrested. I'm resisting. Stop moving. Arrested. One will come to search you.
I just told you I was going to get you.
I'm trying to fix this so they don't cut you. Because you won't stay still.
I'm not even moving. Y'all both pulling me in two different ways. I've never been dragged around like this. I just see how
I'm trying to fix it so they don't hurt you, okay?
You just yanked me. What the f***?
Well, you have plenty of chances for you not to have to do that.
And I just was telling you that I was texting my mom, my lawyer, and you just, what did I not have to do? I did not move.
You relax your hands.
Well, you just got him.
Yeah, and I allow you to do that, which I shouldn't have to do that. But I did.
I didn't do nothing. I did not move an inch. Okay, just let me walk. Just let me walk. I'm telling my dog.
Just please stand right here.
Let me walk. I'm telling y'all, it's so both y'all.
What's your last name?
I feel so sorry. I just asked for a female officer to come.
There is a female officer come to search you. What's your last name? Ma'am, what's your last name?
But he just said, he just told me it wasn't.
Search you. That's you on the traffic stop.
But I just wanted the female to be around.
Not to arrest you.
He was already aggressive before you came.
Sergeant's right there. There's a supervisor. I'm just telling you, I got here last second. Okay?
I asked for a female officer. He was aggressive before y'all even came.
Can I get your information, please? Ma'am.
I feel uncomfortable. Okay. I'm uncomfortable.
Okay.
The traffic stop unraveled into a physical struggle and an arrest for obstruction after the driver refused to hand over her license, demanding to call her mother and a lawyer instead.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi.
What happened?
I was just pulling. He was just sitting on.
What's your last name?
He said he put my seatbelt on and I put my blanket over me. I said, what is the problem? He said, well, I'm pulling you over. And he just walked, he followed me from there. He just asked me to give him my driver's license. I said, can I please call my mom and my lawyer first? And he came, that's when he got more aggressive and he put his hands in front of me. He wanted to say because I had no seatbelt on. I had my seatbelt on, but I have a blanket right there as well. And I asked, well, again, what is your reason? Then he wanted to say, I'm on my way to work. I said, can I please call somebody? Yelling, because I don't understand where this is coming from. But yeah, you called him. And then as soon as he came on, that's when he wanted to get over aggressive. Now, yes, I am yelling. You just watched me.
He asked for a driver's license.
I didn't resist. I did not say a yes or a no. I told him, I said, can I please call my mom first before I do anything? What does that have to do with anything? It's not on me right now, but he told me it's because my place is temporary.
Do you want me to fix your watch so it doesn't fall?
You could just put it in there.
Put it in the car?
Yeah.
Okay. I need
like,
to get
they take this as a joke. I feel so uncomfortable.
I need your watch in the cup holder. I need to get your name. I've asked you 3 times. We got to have your information. Or do you want to center
counsel? So hard for me to get this car up because I just watched it. Okay, I would just sit there because I feel really uncomfortable. I just asked for a female.
Close. That's part of the problem.
Why did y'all just do that to me? Why did y'all just yank me around? I wasn't resisting arrest.
A female's coming. A female's coming, but they're not close.
Why did y'all just yank me around like that?
When an officer says you're
but I never said no.
Pull away.
I did not pull away. I've never been assaulted by a police officer before.
I need your information.
I did not pull away. Why did y'all just do that to me?
You have insurance for this car?
I just bought it.
Just let it know.
I just bought it. And the person that I bought the vehicle from, he had this already on there, but he gave me the title. I didn't even get to sign it yet. And I have to sign my title and the thing as well. I was going to do all that when I went to work because I work at Toyota and I can register my car there.
Did you get it?
I just got it yesterday. I'm telling y'all now so y'all can go ahead and call over to them.
No, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, we're going to wait for...
I'm going to tell you, I have a warrant. I believe I have a warrant to pay as well.
That's what he's going to do. You don't... We're going to wait for the female officer. Okay.
I really hope your die. You just real life, you just was on my block. I really do hope he died though. I really do. I really do. I really pray that he dies. You just watch people on my driveway.
I think we need to go to that extent.
No, I really hope he dies. I mean it.
Come, stay over there. Stay over there. Come on.
Be quiet. And I have your name, so I will be putting a root on you with my yeah. I'm not gonna play with you. I hope you die. Be quiet. Hey. I'm not being disrespectful to them. I'm telling them I got a ponytail on my head.
Watch your head while you're going in. Watch your head. You know,
Following the arrest on February 25, 2025, the driver was transported to the county detention facility for booking and processing. Her late morning traffic stop for a seatbelt violation rapidly spiraled into a physical arrest after she repeatedly refused to provide her driver's license and registration, insisting instead on placing phone calls to her mother and attorney. In court, the body camera footage served as key evidence detailing the swift escalation of the incident. The recording captured her persistent non-compliance, her claims of being watched, and her immediate physical resistance when officers informed her she was under arrest for obstruction. The video also documented the post-arrest search and inventory, which revealed active license suspensions and cannabis in the vehicle, while she continued making verbal threats against the arresting officers. Ultimately, she was formally charged with resisting arrest and received traffic citations for driving while in possession of cannabis and driving with a suspended or revoked license. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.